Toffee Bar Coffee Cake Recipe Irresistible Sweet Delight. Hey there, fellow bakers and dessert lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a mouthwatering treat in store for you, Toffee Bar Coffee Cake. This indulgent dessert combines the rich flavors of toffee and the comforting goodness of coffee cake. So, grab your aprons and let's dive into this irresistible sweet delight. Ingredients. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. The cake. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup sour cream. 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. For the toffee layer, 1 cup toffee bits, or chopped toffee bars. For the streusel topping, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup brown sugar. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. For the coffee glaze, 1 cup powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons strong brewed coffee. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 9 inch baking pan. Making the cake batter. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the sour cream, and mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Spread half of the batter into the prepared baking pan. Adding the toffee layer. Sprinkle the toffee bits evenly over the batter in the pan, creating the streusel topping. In a small bowl, combine the flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon for the streusel topping. Cut in the cold, cubed butter using a pastry cutter or your fingertips, until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Sprinkle the streusel topping over the toffee layer. Finishing the cake. Carefully spread the remaining cake batter over the streusel layer. Baking the cake. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for 35–40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once done, remove from the oven and let the cake cool in the pan for about 15 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Making the coffee glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, brewed coffee, and vanilla extract until smooth. Drizzling the glaze. Once the cake has cooled, drizzle the coffee glaze over the top. Serving. Slice the Toffee Bar Coffee Cake into squares and serve with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream if desired. And there you have it, a delectable Toffee Bar Coffee Cake that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth and coffee cravings all in one bite. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more delightful dessert recipes. Thanks for watching, happy baking, and until next time, take care.
Introducing the Snowman Christmas with Sleigh Mug, a festive must-have for the holiday season. Sip on warm cocoa or your favorite winter beverage in this charming mug adorned with pine, candy cane, and red ornaments. The red, silver, and white design captures the spirit of Christmas, while the adorable snowman adds a touch of whimsy. It also makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Elevate your holiday cheer with this delightful mug.